in 2015, the Russians actually produced, the Western Military District produced an invasion plan for Ukraine. And we have, and it's been authenticated as at least a legitimate draft, whether it was finalized or not, but a version of it did make it to the West and has been recognized as a legitimate draft document. So it gives us a real insight into how they thought about or would think about launching a major campaign. We have about 160 pages of that document. Some of it's extremely detailed, including long lists of targets, bridges, specific bridges for airborne to capture, people to assassinate by spetsnaz. All the things that go into a very detailed war plan, including a very sophisticated information war campaign specifically targeted on West European members of NATO, specifically Germany and France. So in that war plan, it basically went in three phases. First 10 days would come out of the Donbas in the south and try to link up with Crimea and also capture the water supply that feeds Crimea in the south. The second 10 days would be a major attack, encirclement of Kharkiv, and drive to the Dnipro River, cutting the eastern Ukraine in half, with forces driving towards Kyiv. And then the last phase was the First Guards Tank Army making a direct run from the Kursk to the outskirts of Kyiv. And that's basically where the war plan stopped. So one could do just pieces of that plan. For example, a Crimea southern campaign, though that would have some dangers of Ukrainians being able to counterattack it. One could do the southern campaign, or one can do the whole thing. What's other areas that have been introduced now is the much heavier likelihood of amphibious assault on Black Sea and Sea of Azov, and also forces coming out of Belarus and hitting Ukraine from the north, and also cutting Ukraine off from NATO in the West.